Hi guys, I'm Lee from Ghost of Britain, and today we are showing you a new piece of equipment called the Extra Spectrum Spirit Portal by Andy Bailey at Infraready.co.uk. Let's give it a blast. Now all you need is a laser pen and a USB power pack. Don't have to be a big one like that, it can be a small one. Plugs directly into this silver disc which spins and rotates at a certain angle, and the theory is that you shine your laser pen onto it and it will create like a little light show. Now what you need to do is you need to pump some smoke into the environment and it will look completely different and absolutely mesmerising. So this is the smoke machine that we're using today to test out this new piece of equipment. Please make sure that you read the instructions before using and keep away from wooden surfaces. So there is the portal forming, guys. It is ideal to have more than one person helping you out when you do this experiment. The theory is that you ask people to take screenshots to see if the spirit can manifest within the tunnel. Now this was actually invented with the idea of a near-death experience tunnel by Andy Bailey, and I must say it's a very interesting, unusual piece of kit, something which will definitely impress if you need to impress. And just look at that, look at the patterns, absolutely amazing. Let's get inside the tunnel, let's see what it looks like from the inside, shall we? Complete darkness now, apart from the blue light. Look at that, guys. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, this is just a quick test to show you guys the new piece of kit by Andy Bailey at infraready.co.uk. Please make sure you go along and purchase your order. I will say that you can actually buy this exact same version, or you can buy a version which is already encased and it will run off normal batteries. So USB power or battery power. Hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and keep experimenting.